If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Well, hello folks. Hey, mail call today. Got a little box here from Abdiel. So let's see what kind of cookies are inside, and we'll get it open here in a few seconds, I hope. That's it. That's all I got. I'm just teasing. Here we go. Here we go. All right. I kind of like know what it is. He's mentioned it to me before. So without further ado, let's get a rockin' here. Okay. And here's. There you go, Mr. Announcer.
Oh.
I guess you can put a little chain or a rope around it and wear it as a necklace. But I'll find out more about it. Because you know me. Ah! And here is the Mama-san right here. Isn't that pretty? Let's see if we can get a look at this. Closer look here. Now he makes these. And they're good looking. Yep. And, oops, I don't break it. Here we go. Get it the right way. Poor fish upside down. There's the eye. And when I do a review, I'll show you how this comes together. All right, and last but not least, I'll open this little jewel up. Hello, hello. And there you go. Aren't they pretty? Well, this one I can already tell you. Holds a pen. And this one I will find out more when I open up this mystery letter. So, before I go, let me just kind of remind everybody with heads up. John Hubbard Jr. with the Moon Man pen. Okay, don't forget that. He's going to be appearing on Zoom Saturday the 13th at 5 p. Central Time. So you don't want to miss that. And I hope you all enjoyed the Zoom I did with Dante. A lot of great and important information about his new upcoming pen, the Modern Time. Is that what it's called?
Yes, Modern Times.
Okay. Really and utterly great looking fountain pen. You know, I like the shape. I like the colors of it. I just can't wait to get my hands on it. And Lena from Pen Boutique was on there, and so was Ross. He was on there. So a lot of great things were said. And if I heard it correctly, I think Dante talked about his upcoming retirement. So, but if when this pen comes out, it should be May sometime this month or by the end of the month. You might want to get your hands on it. Really, really affordable with the steel nib. I don't know how much the gold nib is going to be, but I'm thinking the nib sizes right now are fine in medium, but you might want to check with Lena from Pen Boutique, and she can give you more information on that. And I'm thinking maybe Frank at Federalist Pens and Paper may be carrying it. Not sure. You have to check his site as well, but I know for sure that Lena from Pen Boutique will be carrying it. So, you know, I'm just waiting for the doors open so that fish can come in. And that's going to do me. Talk to you guys later. Peace and love.